Here's an event you won't want to miss. ICSE training is back, in person and better than ever. Learn from subject matter experts and engage directly at our iManage headquarters in Chicago's West Loop. This 5-day course will go over nearly every facet of iManage Work's on-premise implementation, configuration, administration, and maintenance to give you and your team knowledge you need. Not only will you get an opportunity to engage and collaborate directly in person with iManage subject matter experts, you'll get to meet leaders from throughout the company, take an exclusive tour of iManage's global HQ, and get some iManage swag. We value in-person events and are excited to bring them back in a big way. We know how valuable in-person training can be and are excited to offer it once again. This training runs June 10th through June 14th, and the certification exam will be administered on-site once training has been completed. For more information and to sign up today, visit registration.imanage.com. Space in this event is limited, so don't miss out. Make knowledge work for you with iManage.